Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is a quick unboxing of the DJI Integra Goggles to see what you get in the box when you purchase them as of 2024. So as of opening these, I see a white mark on top where the head strap goes, but that was just the box rubbing on the top, so there was no damage caused. So just be aware of that when you do buy these. You might get the top of the box that rubs on that strap piece. But initially getting this out of the box, I was well impressed with the packing. They really looked great in person. They look better in person than what they do in the pictures. So other accessories that we get in the packet. So you get your head strap there. I'll show you more in depth as we go through the video. So this is your on-the-go cable. This connects your goggles to your phone, and these are lenses. I think they're lens covers. You get 2 of those in the packet, and then you get your microfiber cloth, and then you get your head strap that goes over the goggles and the back of the head strap. And then we get your lenses for different eye strengths. These are actually quite nice, individually packaged, so that's quite nice. And obviously your manual. Having a closer look at the goggles, they're actually really nice. I'm well impressed with the quality as of DJI quality. The goggles are really nice. They look like bug eyes. You got your power button there. You got your display. This was the first time I'd actually switched these goggles on. So I think they malfunctioned a little bit here because I didn't let it go through its initial startup. So that's why it made that noise, I think. Here you've got your eye adjustments for your different eye width. See what I mean about the look about their bug eyes? I think they look really cool. I'm gonna have to get a skin for these. I reckon might have to make some. But yeah, the quality is really nice. On these goggles, you've got your SD card slot there, and the backing plate. It's actually a really nice soft material, like a sponge material. Really impressed with these. I think I will get the different sponge for the face plate. But overall condition, they're really nice goggles. Really nice. Time will tell when I use them. So this is what you get in the box and what to expect when you get them. Thanks for watching the video, guys, if you got this far, and I'll see you in the next video.